In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube videos to your Canva designs. This is a great way to enhance your presentations, social media graphics, or any other creative projects you're working on. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open Canva and create a new design. You can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch depending on your project. Once you're ready to add the YouTube video, click on the app's link found on the left side. Search for Embed, then click on the Embed app that appears. From here, you can paste the link of the YouTube video you want to add. Once done, click on Add to Design. The YouTube video will now be embedded into your Canva design. Make the necessary adjustments if needed. Another way to do this is to open the YouTube website and copy the link of the video you want to embed into your design. You don't need to open the video, just right-click on its thumbnail, then click on Copy Link Address. Go to your Canva design, then right-click on your mouse and select Paste. The YouTube video will now be embedded. Make the necessary adjustments if needed. And there you have it. Adding YouTube videos to your Canva designs is that simple. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or any other visual content, this feature can add a dynamic touch to your work.